afternoon. This is the end of the day. This is the result of me roller setting my hair with sponge rollers. And a suggestion was made by Song James, one of my subscribers. It wasn't really a suggestion. She was saying to me that when she used sponge rollers on her hair, she does a braid or a plait, and then she rolled the end. So I decided to try that. I like the results. It's much bigger than I thought. I have more curls than I thought I would have. I'll wear this hairstyle for as long as I can, or as long as it will hold up. I wanted you to see the back. And I'll show you exactly how I achieved this look. All you have to do is keep watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Give it a thumbs up. Comment, ask questions, whatever you like. I love the dialogue. I was telling my husband yesterday, it seems like I'm getting to know the people that have subscribed to my channel. So keep on talking to me. Talk to me, I'll talk to you. Have a great day. Good evening. I am preparing my hair for bed. I decided that I would use sponge rollers on my hair, but try something different. Someone commented on one of my videos with the sponge roller set. It's a YouTuber, Song James. And I'll post a link to her channel in the description box. She said what she did was she used sponge rollers on her hair as well. And that's just water. But she would braid in sections. And I just decided to try it. And then she said then she would roll the ends. I'm going down about halfway, I think. And I don't pull on my ends. I just grab it and sort of do this to it. And then I roll it. And that's what I did with each one of my rollers. And I am now going to go to bed. And we'll see what this looks like in the morning. Have a good night.